Yes, friends, we are towards the last video of the poem If, page number 90, language study, if clause or the conditional clause. With very opening of the video of this poem, I have written a dozen of sentences on the board about if, because actually the name of the poem was If. So what is the relation of the word if with the grammar of English? That I have told you in very first video. Now again in the last video we are dealing with the same thing. You may remember or you may watch again the first video for the particular if clause or the conditional sentences, where you will get a dozen of sentences in the first video. Now look at on page number 90, it is said that, look at the following sentences. If I practice hard, I shall win the game. Second is, if you buy a new car or if you buy a new car, it will cost you a lot of money. Definitely a new car costs or needs a lot of money. Each of these sentences has two clauses, main clause and subordinate clause. While learning the clauses in 9th class, you know main clause and subordinate according to the name. You will come to know the clause. Main clause, important clause. Subordinate, not so important. Do you? Subordinate clause. If I practice hard, if I practice hard is subordinate clause. Then what is the main clause? I shall win the game. It is main thing in the sentence. So it is a main clause. On page number 91, the subordinate clauses indicate possibility and likelihood. The tense of subordinate clause depend on the main clause. It depend on the main clause. Some sentences that day we have taken where if you study well, you will get a first class or you will get good marks. That is the regular sentence you may have heard number of times by the teachers, at the same time by your parents at your home even. Second is, if you throw the stone to the shop, what will happen? The shopkeeper will beat you. That is the second one. Yes, the most important thing that I have told you with the reference of the situations of the World War, Armenia and Azerbaijan. Remember this, the sentence I have put on the blackboard, on the board that day. If war breaks out, no city in the world will be safe. No city in the world will be safe. If you have faith, last but one sentence I think, I remember this. If you have faith, you can achieve your goal. Because there is a very strong bond between the faith and achieving the success, according to me and according to the experience of many people. Yes, again, as it is a pandemic, yes, corona, then again the sentence of vaccination was there in that video. If you do not get your child vaccinated, it is a sin against the whole society. If you wait for me, I will come. If I look to my own benefit, it would be unrighteous. If you do not work harder, you will fail. If I go to school tomorrow, if I go to school tomorrow, I will get the important instruction about COVID. If it rains, I shall not come to the school. I think these were the sentences which I have written on the board in the first video. So friends, on the page number 9, book by page number 91, there are the there is a table of subordinate clause and the main clause. When there is the simple present tense in the subordinate clause, then there is a simple future tense in main clause. When there is a simple past tense in the subordinate clause, then there is would plus base form of the verb in the main clause. If there is the past perfect tense in the subordinate clause, then there is would plus have plus past participle. So, complete the following sentences. If I like it, I have completed the sentences for you on the board already. If I like it, I will ask for it to my father. That is the sentence that I have completed for you. But if I like is a simple present tense, I will ask is simple future tense. So, whenever there is simple present tense in a subordinate clause, then there is a simple future tense in main clause. Second one, if it rains, is subordinate clause. I will not come to school is a main clause. So, when there is a simple present tense in the subordinate clause, if it rains, simple present tense, verb take yes or yes with third person singular number in simple present tense. If it rains, I will not come to school. Will not come is a future tense. Next, third sentence, C, A, B, C and D. Question number, I think question number is, yes, no special number is given on the book. Yes, about the if clause. If you reach in time, if you reached in time, you would catch the train. Here, as in the subordinate clause, there is the past tense. Reached, second form of the main verb, past tense. It is simple past. Then would plus base form of the verb means first form of the verb, that is catch. Now third one, if she had obeyed her parents, if she had obeyed, form of to have plus past participle, as it is had in the past form of the verb, and therefore the tense uses past perfect tense. Past perfect tense. So if there is a past perfect tense in subordinate clause, you have to construct the same tense in the main clause with would plus have plus pp, past participle. So the sentence I have framed for you. If she had obeyed her parents, she would not have met with accident. If she had obeyed her parents. Yes, many times we see the children walk on the road. Parents give them warning. But many a times we see the children meet with the accident in front of the eyes of the parents. It happens. The reason? If she had obeyed her parents, she would not have met. Yes, would have and past participle met. So, if she had obeyed her parents, she would not have met with accident. Now friends, the remaining, pick out lines that contain the following figures of speech. The remaining 4 figures of speech are there on page number 91. We have seen it number of times while learning the poem. Once again we will solve it for the English workshop here. I will orally tell you here the first antithesis. What is antithesis? I have explained in the last video. Antithesis. Anti, word anti. You know the meaning of anti. With the prefix, opposite. So, contrast of ideas. Contrast, opposite ideas are put side by side to create the effect in the sentence. Antithesis is used. So, in the poem, opposite ideas are there. If you can keep your head when all about you are losing theirs. That was there in the last, I think. Page number 89 and 8, identify the figure of speech. First sentence, if you can keep your head when all about you are losing theirs is antithesis. I explained while explaining, I explained very correctly about antithesis while explaining that question. Now second is personification. Personification. The character of living thing or the virtue of the living thing is applied on the non-living thing. That is the personification. So in the lesson, while explaining this line, I also explained. Again, while explaining the figure of speech, I explained. So the same example in the poem will be about personification. If you can meet with triumph and disasters, as they are impostors. Triumph and disaster are non-living thing. Meeting is the action which is applied to them, to the non-living thing. So it is the personification. So personification example is, if you can meet with triumph and disasters. Then repetition, yes, there we have taken the example of, I think, two, T-O-O-2. Here we would like to have another example. If you can dream and not make dreams your master. Here dream comes 2 times and therefore repetition of word dream is there. Then metaphor, yes, metaphor. And stoop and rebuild them up with worn out tools is the best example of metaphor in the poem. Thank you, friend. Here is the end of your poetry, If. Thank you very much.